How the 3D printer changed making things forever. Imagine creating a physical object right from a digital file, layer by layer, right before your eyes. That's what a 3D printer does. From prototypes to parts for spacecraft, from hobbyist projects to industrial manufacturing, the 3D printer is one of the most transformative tools in modern technology. Let's explore its story, how it works, and some surprising fun facts. The roots of 3D printing stretch back further than many realize. In 1981, Hideo Kodama in Japan developed one of the earliest layer-by-layer rapid prototyping machines. Then, in 1984 to 86, Chuck Hull patented stereolithography, SLA, and founded 3D Systems, which produced the first commercial 3D printer. In the late 1980s and 1990s, other methods emerged, like fused deposition modeling, FDM, and selective laser sintering, SLS. Fast forward to the 2000s. Open-source projects like the RepRap project made 3D printing affordable for hobbyists and small businesses. Today, 3D printers range from home desktop machines to giant industrial machines building airplanes and medical devices. So, how does a 3D printer actually build things? Let's break it down. You start with a digital 3D model created in CAD software or downloaded from the web. The file is sliced into thin, horizontal layers by software, creating instructions for the printer. The printer then builds layer by layer, each new layer fusing or bonding to the previous one. In fused deposition modeling, FDM, plastic filament is heated and extruded. In SLA, a UV laser cures a resin layer by layer. In SLS, a laser sinters powdered material into solid shape. After printing, there's often post-processing, removing support structures, curing resin, finishing. The key is additive manufacturing. Instead of cutting away material, you build up material where needed. That means less waste, new shapes, and freedom in design. Here are some fun and amazing facts. 3D printers have been used to produce prosthetic limbs, making custom, low-cost replacements for amputees. Entire houses have been 3D printed using large-scale machines that extrude concrete or composite material. Foods, desserts, and even fashion items like jewelry and shoes are being printed layer by layer. In aerospace and space exploration, 3D printed rocket parts and satellite components are now common, reducing weight, cost, and production time. A fun name drop: the term additive manufacturing is often used interchangeably with 3D printing in industrial usage. The open-source RepRap project aimed to create a 3D printer that could print much of its own components, blurring the line between maker and manufacturer. And yes, people now 3D print guitars, chess sets, sneaker parts, and more. What was once just prototype tech is now everyday creative tool. Why does all this matter? Because 3D printing gives us design freedom, speed, and customization in ways traditional manufacturing struggles with. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Cool Gadgets for Fun, and we look forward to the next episode as we continue to give you more of the gadgets that have changed the world.